In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gauge message acknowledgement on Slack without read receipts. Here's the key thing to know up front. Slack doesn't include traditional read receipts. That means there isn't a built-in indicator that tells you exactly who has opened or read your message. Instead, Slack is designed to help recipients manage what they haven't looked at yet. On their end, channels or direct messages with new activity appear in bold in the sidebar, sometimes with a badge showing a number of unread items. They might also see a marker that separates what's new since their last visit. These cues help them catch up, but they aren't visible to you as a definitive seen-by signal. So how do you gauge whether your message has been acknowledged? The most reliable signals in Slack are reactions and replies. Reactions are those small emojis that appear just beneath your message. When someone taps a thumbs up, a check mark, or another agreed upon emoji, that's a lightweight way of saying they've seen it, they understand it, or they agree. Many teams use a simple convention, like a check mark for received, to confirm awareness without cluttering the conversation. If your workspace has a norm like that, you'll notice those reactions appear quickly and clearly. Replies are your other strong indicator. If someone responds directly in the main channel or within a thread attached to your message, that's a clear acknowledgement. Threaded replies keep context tidy and are easy to follow back to your original post. Even a brief "got it" or a clarifying question signals they've engaged with what you sent. A couple of nuances can help you read the situation better. The absence of a reaction or reply doesn't automatically mean your message was ignored or unseen. The recipient might still be catching up, juggling notifications, or working across time zones. Slack's unread system is designed for the recipient's convenience, not as a tracking tool for the sender. Give messages a little time, especially in busy channels where information flows quickly. When reactions do appear, treat them as your confirmation. A consistent reaction pattern builds trust that messages are being noticed. And when replies come in, use threads to keep the conversation focused and easy to revisit later. Between reactions and replies, you'll have the clearest picture Slack offers for acknowledgement, even without read receipts. That's it. Understand the lack of read receipts, watch for reactions, and look for replies. With those cues, you'll have a dependable way to know when your message has landed.